class. Today we are going to do a Desmos activity. So on task 3, it says complete the Desmos activity Marcellus the Giant by going to this website and using this class code. So I'm going to copy and paste this class code right into this website, and then I'll press join. Okay, I'm going to enter my name. All right, and then I'm going to follow the on-screen prompts, okay? So it says, this is Dan. He is a giant. So I'm going to press next. These are scale giants, so it's telling you that these are scale giants. Okay, so make sure that you look at them, pay attention to how they are, that they relate to each other. So take a look at how big the eyes are compared to this one. Look at how big the sword is compared to the other one. All right, now it says these are not scale giants. So now I want you to pay attention for how do the teeth differ from like this giant to this one. Okay, so these ones are not scale, so pay attention. And then go ahead and answer the questions that follow. I'm not going to go through everything with you today, but please do answer to the best of your ability. But I want to point out the next screen 5. It said, let's build a scale giant named Marcellus. How many times as tall as Dan should we make Marcellus? So you can put in any number here. Just for an example, let's say I put in 2. So you need to put in a number, and then you're going to press submit. Okay, and then you can go to the next screen and keep going from there. So it says click and drag Marcellus's mouth. So I need to arrange the mouth so that I think it looks like 2 times larger, because 2 is the number that I put in. So here's my original one. I need to make sure the mouth looks 2 times larger. I need to make sure that the sword looks 2 times larger. So just do the best that you can, okay? And keep going from there. Please reach out if you have any questions. And I will be checking your responses online, okay? So have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning into this video. Bye.